This house is located at 4686 18th Avenue South, South Side St. Pete. Um, this is what we propose to do is to attempt to renovate this property, interior and exterior. As you notice on the outside, there's some spots on the walls. They still have their Christmas ornaments that's left. They still got this old-fashioned TV antenna. The outside gonna need to be painted. Some of the windows look pretty good. Here in the back, notice that we got some broken glass there. Let's see if we can get a closer look on this broken glass. Yeah, that need to be replaced. Maybe we can replace the glass, or probably have to replace the window. That look pretty good. The gables look pretty rough. The soffits look pretty rough. It's another broken window here. Gonna figure out what we need to do with that. Outside, it's got a lot of mold on the outside of the house. Some debris on the ground, but it's not that much. Gables look pretty good. Got a little bit of debris outside here. Look like the garage door is damaged a little bit.
Finding this decent, man.
All this stuff won't be here. All this stuff won't be here.
We going inside now. Looks pretty grim in the inside here. Let me see if I can get Joyce to open up some of the curtains so we can get some light. Well, we're gonna go straight through the living room until we get some light. As you notice, the walls in here is just pretty much jacked up. This door here leads out to the garage, which we're gonna get to last. This kitchen looks it's pretty much jacked up in the kitchen here. It's got a lot of debris in the kitchen. The cabinets, they got little bugs flying around. The drawers are still full of crap. I don't know what's inside the cabinets. They look pretty clean though, inside of them. The range hood is gone. The floors are tile. It's got some carpet here that's got carpet on the floor. Oops. something sticky in this closet here. I don't know, this closet looks pretty grim. The bedroom is jacked up pretty much. There's a lot of debris in here. The door need to be replaced, or the door casing. Might end up replacing the whole door. We got a border that runs around in this room. It's got a lot of little stuff on the walls. The pocket doors need to be replaced, or rather the sliders. This closet here is pretty much jacked up. I got a blower there. I don't know if that works. Don't know where that comes from. Let me see if I can get Joyce to get some light on in this room over here that we're getting ready to move into, go into, to take a look at. There we go. That's Joyce there. This room is still a little dark. It's got a lot of debris on the floors. Everything in this house is dark. The bathroom. Let me see if I can get some light on in here. Don't look like it's any light in the bathroom, so we can't get in there. Pretty much just carpet, green carpet on the floors in this rooms. This next room, it's the same. It's a lot of debris. Walls are red. It's got a border. Look like they left some type of entertainment system in here. We're gonna go out in the garage and see if we can get any light out in the garage. Either try to open up a door or whatever. This is as much light that we can get out here. It's the same. The garage is all got a lot of stuff in the garage. The garage door is damaged. It's real dark in this house. There's no lights. This is the living room which really was dark. The ceiling and the walls are real dark. The floors in here look like it's vinyl floors, pergo floors. That we might not replace those. This front door is pretty much jacked up also. It's molded. This door is hanging off the hinges. Yeah, these walls here. That's Joyce. These walls here pretty much jacked up, so gonna have to do something with them. Alright, this concludes this video of 18th Avenue South. 4686 18th Avenue South, Southside St. Pete.